If you've ever struggled with arranging multiple windows on your desktop, constantly resizing and dragging them into place, then this Windows feature is going to change the way you work forever. It's called Snap Layouts, and it's one of the most powerful productivity tools built into Windows 11. Today, I'll show you how Snap Layouts can automatically organize your screen, help you multitask faster, and keep your workspace clean and efficient without any third-party apps. Let's get started. Snap Layouts allow you to position windows perfectly with just a few clicks. Instead of manually adjusting every window yourself, Windows suggests ready-made layouts right on your screen. This turns messy multitasking into a clean, organized workflow. Here's how to use it. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button on any app window. A small grid of layouts will instantly appear. You'll see options like side-by-side windows, three-way splits, or even a four-window grid. Choose the layout you want, and your window snaps into place automatically. Then, Windows will guide you to select what fills the remaining slots. Just click each area, and the system neatly places your apps where they belong. Within seconds, your entire desktop is organized. No dragging, no guessing, no wasted time. Snap Layouts are perfect for anyone who likes to work with multiple apps at once. You can keep your browser on one side, your notes on the other, your email below, and your file explorer beside it. Everything stays visible and accessible. But it gets even better. Windows also includes Snap Groups. This feature remembers your snapped layout. So if you minimize all your apps or switch to another window, you can return to your full layout with one click from the taskbar. Your apps open exactly where you left them. Same size, same position, same arrangement. This is incredibly helpful for students, office workers, content creators, or anyone who jumps between different tasks throughout the day. And if you want to snap windows even faster, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Press Windows plus left arrow or Windows plus right arrow to snap a window to the side. Windows plus up or down can stack windows or maximize them instantly. Whether you're organizing for research, video editing, coding, or everyday work, Snap Layouts can boost your productivity and keep your workflow smooth. Try it today, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Snap Layouts turn multitasking from a mess into a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.